Twice and BTS are the only K-pop artists capable of competing with Japanese domestic artists. Japan is currently the second largest music market in the world. Therefore, gaining a foothold in this market is the dream of all the foreign artists, and K-pop idols are no exception to it. More and more K-pop groups are becoming popular in Japan, but only BTS and Twice are said to be really popular in that country. Recently, the music streaming service Spotify has celebrated its 5th anniversary since its first appearance in Japan. They have published several charts based on the data Spotify has collected over the years, the most important of which is the most streamed songs in Japan in the past 5 years and most streamed artists in Japan in the past 5 years. And notably, BTS and Twice entered the charts with admirable ranking. Top 10 most streamed songs in Japan in the past 5 years. Top 10 most streamed artists in Japan in the past 5 years. Thus, it can be seen that BTS and Twice are the only Korean artists featured in the Spotify's Japan Activity Anniversary chart. Twice has truly proven themselves to be the most popular K-pop girl group in Japan. We cannot deny that having Japanese member is an advantage of the group. However, only attractive music and the right direction of activities can help Twice maintain such a stable performance for a pretty long time. Not only that, Twice has surpassed 50 weeks on Billboard Japan Artist Hot 100. Twice and BTS are the only K-pop artists to achieve this milestone. Both of them have never left the chart since its creation. Twice has now spent around 860 cumulative weeks on Billboard Japan Hot 100. The Fields charted at number 3rd on Billboard Japan Hot 100 without any promotion or CDs or downloads, just all carried by streams alone. That's the impact of Twice. Twice's longest charting song on Billboard Japan Hot 100 is TT, and this is their Korean version that has charted for the pretty long time. All these achievements and records again and again prove that Twice is the queen of Japan. Congratulations to BTS and Twice for their remarkable achievement in Japan over the years.